Hey, Big Mike, thank you for registering for my webinar. On this training, I'm going to show you how I started my own medical transportation business and made it successful. And this is important because the data shows medical transportation right now is over 61.5 million people, clients, patients using it to go back and forth to their appointments. And the total spending right now with Medicaid and Medicare and Obamacare is over 2.6 billion in spending. So it seems like they're overspending, and that means more money in your pocket when you do the billing. Okay, and this is important. This is why this is important, so you could get consistent revenue with certainty on a regular basis. Okay, so you could get the freedom. So you could get the freedom to do whatever you want to do. The liberty to do whatever you want to do, and the freedom to get away from the things you don't want to do, like a 9 to 5. And also, this is important because you could be significant, and you could contribute, and people could look at you like a leader, and you give back to the community and you help others. And this is also easy, even if you lack technical experience or you have technical confusion, like you don't know how to do the application, you don't have computer skills, or you lack confidence. You never did it before, you don't know where to begin, or maybe you tried a business before and it failed. Well, I'm here to tell you, you could do it. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay. I'm doing this so you can succeed. This is about you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the webinar. Thank you for the registration. Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.